My name is Olga Horek. I was born in Czechoslovakia and I'm 83 years old. We had our geography lessons at school, but we never heard of Auschwitz. We learned about the capital cities, we had information about the various industries, but we never learned about Auschwitz. To be together with somebody, whether it was a parent, whether it was a sibling, whether it was a friend, was always the best support, moral support. And I was lucky. I was with my mom. My mother was at that stage only 39 years old, so she was relatively a young person. I was 16 and a half. We were screamed at. There were Nazi guards, also women, and that we were terribly shocked by what we have seen. Guards with dogs. The dogs were trained to maul the people if they didn't stay straight in a straight line. And the shouting and the pushing and shoving around was unbelievable. But Auschwitz, of course, was there to exterminate the people. We were not meant to survive. Every camp, if they called it a concentration camp, every camp was a death camp, whether they had gas chambers or not. And we had to line up and we had to tell who we are, our name, and where we wanted to be repatriated to. And my mom came to the table and she gave her information, and have to stop. She was so sick, she collapsed and she died. It was devastating to me. Sorry, Padre, you can't give me the last rites. And he said, why? What's wrong? And I said to him, look, I'm Jewish and I'm not going to die.